Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the champion token right here, or tokens here in League of Legends. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, to remove it, close out the Riot client. Okay, exit. Once done, open up Riot client once more. Once it's opened, you can go ahead and launch the League of Legends client again. Okay, just to start fresh. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to your profile. Okay, right here at the top, click on it. Now, as you can see, I do have my token right here. Now, to delete it or remove it, we have this edit button. You're gonna want to double click on it. Okay, do it as fast as you can. Double click. Again, as you can see, it's now gone. It's just not a visual bug when you go ahead over to your tokens once more. Edit tokens, as you can see, it's gone. That's basically it. It's kind of weird, but that's how you remove the champions tokens here in League of Legends. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.